Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since yesterday's video, where we discussed the strong move after the FOMC meeting, Bitcoin's price has stayed steady around 117,000. On the 1-hour time frame, momentum is slowing, money flow has dipped into the red, and the MACD is turning downward. Switching to the daily chart shows a different picture. Yesterday, a green momentum wave appeared, signaling renewed strength with money flow turning positive. This suggests that in the short term, price could continue to range near current levels, but in the medium term, there is potential for a push toward the 120,000 area as we move deeper into September. Historically, September has been tricky for Bitcoin, but so far this month it is up 7.89%, compared with a median return of minus 3.12% across all Septembers since 2013. Looking at the heat maps. On the one-day view, the nearest highlighted level sits at 116.4 thousand, which could be revisited in the short term. On the 3-day view, 118.3 thousand stands out as the next important area above current price. On the 2-week heat map, marked levels remain at 114,000, 113,000, and 111.6 thousand. Given the recovery from August's slump, deeper downside looks less likely as we head into Q4. Institutional flows continue to matter. Spot ETF inflows totaled $163 million on September 18, with strong buying led by Fidelity and no significant outflows reported. In mainstream news, an interesting story made the rounds. A clip of NBA star Kevin Durant's manager revealed that Durant bought Bitcoin back in 2016 for under $650, but then lost access to his Coinbase account for years. He only regained access recently. That $10,000 purchase would now be worth around $1.8 million. Stories like these often grab attention outside the crypto space and may spark FOMO among new retail investors. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter and click the like button if you found value in this video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.